Thai red ruby dessert is today's ranch recipe. Welcome to Nina's Thai kitchen. Today is very special for me because I have Mimi Bangbor, my sister, join me. Hi Mimi.
Hi Nina. Hi everyone.
She get forced to be in this show because today I'm going to show you how to make Thai red ruby dessert. And it's her specialty. That's why she's here, right?
Yes, of course.
And what do you call the Thai red ruby dessert in Thailand?
We call Tim Krob.
She's going to show us how to make it healthier, right Mimi?
Yes.
How to do that?
Normally we use coconut milk, but today we're going to use the whole milk instead.
I think you will love it because my whole family and my friends love it. We're actually going to show you both way with coconut milk and pandan leaves and with whole milk. The main ingredients are water chestnut, tapioca flour, milk or coconut milk. Step 1, making red water chestnut or red rubies. Okay, the first step is we're gonna take care of water chestnut. The fresh one would be the best, but if you don't have it, the canned one works very well. We're going to dice it actually. It should be bigger size because it's gonna make it crunchy, and it doesn't need to be like exactly square. You can use Hale Blue Boy's syrup, or if you don't have it, you can use the red food coloring. We're going to use about 1 cup of the syrup. If you use food coloring, use 1 cup of water and 2 teaspoons of the red food coloring. Soak it for at least 10 minutes. To cover our what should I call it, the water chestnut water chestnut or red ruby with the tapioca flour. So here you go. We're just gonna mix it together and make sure that the flour cover all around. Get rid of the excess flour. We don't want it to be too much either. We just want it to be perfect, and I think this is perfect. Now it's time to boil it for a couple minutes. We bring the water to a boil. I use about half pot of water, and we're going to put all of our ruby in there, and then we have to stir right away and keep stirring so that it won't stick together. Okay, it's floating now, so I'm going to get it out and put it in the ice water that I prepare. It's done. The texture will be soft outside from the tapioca and crunchy inside from the water chestnut. We're gonna prepare the milk, Mimi's version. So we start with the whole milk. This one is kind of like freestyle. You can use any kind of milk, but the whole milk would give you the richness. This one is 1 cup of sugar. You can adjust it based on your taste, but keep in mind that this is dessert and we're gonna serve with ice, so it needs to be a little bit sweet. So when you put the ice in there, it will be perfect. Now we're going to add the pre-cut young coconut meat. Next is jackfruit. Adding jackfruit is very nice because it's adding the tropical flavor in there. You will love it. Now adding the ruby that we made earlier into the milk syrup. Wow, look at that. Normally I would add 1 can of the palm seed, which is my favorite. The one is my husband's favorite, look chit. Now it's a fun time having it with the crushed ice. This one is good for summer. Summer is coming in California now. Okay, Mimi, the first bite is yours.
Really good.
Good, good, okay. We are sisters, we can use the same spoon, that's why. We share a germ since we were young. This is mine. She's right. It's really crunchy. Hold on, I'm gonna share you some. And this is yours. Now I'm going to show you how to make coconut syrup. First, I'm gonna put the coconut milk. We're gonna use 2 cans of coconut milk. Of course, if you have fresh coconut milk, that would be the best. But you know, in California, this is what I have. The leftover here, I'm gonna put warm water in there, about maybe half cup each. One cup of sugar. There you go. I'm just gonna put a pinch of salt. Now I'm going to put the pandan leaf. The way you bruise it, you can just use the mortar and pestle to just bruise it a little bit. In this way, you will get more flavor. That's it. We want it to boil first, and after it's boiled, we're going to reduce it to simmer it. I'm gonna let it sit, cool it down, and then I can mix it with Tim Krob and other fruit that we would like to add it on. So we're done for this one. Enjoy it with ice and let me know which one you like it more, coconut milk or whole milk. Thank you for watching until the end, and I hope that you enjoy it. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe.